Everyone, welcome back. If you do not know, my name is Devin. Here on my channel I cover all things beauty. That includes makeup, fragrance, and designing here and there. If you think that is something you'll be interested in, then I hope you stay and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you're notified every week when I upload. And in today's video, we have another sponsor video from the house of Coeebags, and I have a new unboxing for you guys. So if you are interested and want to hear my thoughts on this new bag that I just received, then just keep watching. All right, you guys, quick little disclaimer, okay? This video, again, it's not for everyone, okay? So if this video and this type of video is not for you, go ahead and click up off of here. You don't belong here, and that is a-okay. I see people flagging these videos. I see people commenting on other people's videos about how it's unethical and how it's illegal and things of that nature. Baby, mind your business, okay? Mind your business. There are some people out here that does not want to spend thousands of dollars for a bag that is subpar quality, because let's be honest, a lot of these higher end luxury designers quality has gone down over the last few years. A lot of the luxury designer girlies who buy their bag has also said the same thing. So again, if this video is not for you, boo, exit out. No one is making you watch it. No one is making you purchase anything. I'm not telling people to purchase anything that they don't want to. I'm just here letting you guys know what was sent to me, the quality, the pricing, and how I feel about it. So that's just that with that. So we're gonna go ahead and move on. So you are here for the unboxing, so here we are. So like I said, I have worked with this brand before, and if my video is still live, I will link it below, because I have had at least 2 of my videos flagged, and it is what it is. There are thousands of videos on the internet just like this. So if you have to take time out of your day to go flag anyone's video, do what you gotta do, okay? But anyways, so they reached out to me again and wanted to send me something else. So I went ahead and picked up this little cute Gucci bag. Now, I have told y'all before, a lot of the bags that I get now that are sent to me are bags that I have either seen in person or bags that I have wanted. So this is the box. So it's a really nice quality box. The lettering is a little off for me. Like, it's not centered, I don't think, 100% correctly, but like I said, I've always said that who cares. I don't even be keeping these boxes usually, but it is a open flap one, which I do like that. Inside the box comes with all of the, you know, little goodies. So if you are gifting this to anyone, it comes with like ribbon, it comes with some paperwork and some cards and all of that jazz, which I don't need any of that because I'm not gifting this. And then the bag came in this dust bag. So this is a really actual nice dust bag. I filmed a video before with a different company that the dust bag was kind of janky with no string, and I wasn't really here for that. But this one is actually really nice. The quality is fairly decent. Now, I do own a few authentic Gucci bags, so I know what they look like, I know how they feel, and I'm here to tell y'all that this is a good one. Now, both quality bags, I got a Louis Vuitton bag from them, the mini Speedy 20. I love that bag. The quality on there is like top tier, and I'm here to let you guys know that this one is really good as well. So this is the bag. I forgot what the actual name of this is. I have a link down below, so if you guys are interested, I'll actually pin a comment. But you guys, this bag is beautiful. I have seen people unbox this bag so many times, and I'm just obsessed with it. I think it's a beautiful bag. I do own a couple of Gucci bags myself that I have purchased from the actual store, so I have to say that the quality of this is really good. I should have brought down one of my bags and did a like side-by-side comparison, but honestly, I didn't feel like climbing in my closet going to look for one. But yeah, this one is actually really nice. The stitching is amazing. There's no stitch out of place. The hardware is phenomenal. Everything about this bag is like top tier, A1 quality. Like, this is beautiful. I promise, if you seen me walking down the street, you would not know, because I would not know. Like, I was really looking at this bag and trying to see like the flaws, and honestly, there are no flaws on this bag. I have had other bags that have like a little minor flaw here and there, but Y'all, this one is amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the stuffing out. I haven't actually took anything out of this. I kind of just got it and put it to the side. So I haven't really play with this. Now I did like put the strap like this. I may or may not pull the strap a little bit more down. I'm not sure yet. This is a bag that I would probably only wear on date nights anyway, so I know with these smaller bags I'm not going to be putting a lot in here. Yeah, I kind of like it like that. So yeah, that's what it looks like. And I would just probably you know, hold it in my hand. You can put it like on your shoulder or whatever, but I'm not gonna be doing none of that. I just like to handheld mine, keep it in my hand. So yeah, this is really nice. So the inside, see, like the stickers and everything is still on here because I didn't even open this. Let me see if I can take this off. It's gonna take me forever to do, so I'm not gonna fuss with this paper. But you have this little chain in here, so like if you carry keys, you can hook your keys on there or something like that. It does have a little card holder slot in here, so if you don't want to carry like a wallet or anything, you could just pop your cards in there. Normally during these videos I go ahead and add stuff into my bag, so that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. I'm going to grab my bag that I am currently using. I've been wearing for a couple weeks, and I actually did a video on this bag, but I did not post it yet, so I filmed this video either early November or late October. So just know that, you know, the video will be up. It's really late. So this is the bag that I'm actually using. It's the Louis Vuitton Pochette, I think, and I have been wearing this constantly and I love this bag. It's such an easy reach for me. Now this strap did not come on here. This strap actually came with another Louis Vuitton bag, the like mini bum bum bag. If I have any of those videos, I will link them below for you guys. But like I said, my videos have been flagged and taken down. So yeah, this is the strap that goes with that. It did come with two different straps, but I just like this one because it's adjustable. But I have a lot of stuff in here. So let me see. Now, if this is a bag that I'm using for going out nights, I'm going to be keeping it super simple. So something that I'll probably put in here are my toilet seat covers. I put these in all my bags. I take these everywhere because you just never know. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this in here. Another thing I like to keep is tissue. I would have a smaller bag of tissue, like the little, it's a smaller, skinnier bag, but I don't have that right now, so I'm gonna just pop this one in here. Now, because this already has card slots, I probably would just take one or two of my cards out with me. So I would take like my ID, and then I would probably take like a credit card or something. So I'm gonna just grab any credit card out of here. This is my Saks card, so I'm gonna just take these two cards because I don't really carry, you know, a lot of cards with me when I'm going out. I'm gonna just throw these in these two card slots. Okay, so I have those two cards in here. Something that I will take always is going to be a lotion. Now this one is a little bit bigger than the ones that I would normally take, but I'm gonna go ahead and pop this one in here. Also, I'm always having a hand sanitizer. I'm gonna just take the one off of my keychain and pop this in my bag. If I carry cash, I'll probably put a little cash in here, but I rarely carry cash. What else would I be taking? I will be taking my fragrance. So whatever my fragrance is. So I'm gonna just pop. This was the last fragrance I used, which was the Yum Bougie Marshmallow. I had that on my bag, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop this in here, as well as my lip combo. So what like I have on my lips today, I have a Morphe lip liner in Bite Me, which is just a dark brown. I have my favorite Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in Cover Star, which is just a really nice nude. And then on top of that, I just have my Summer Fridays lip butter, and this is in Vanilla Beige. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop all of those in here. All right, something else I would be bringing is my blotting papers, because I mean, I'll be bringing that. I also bring my little mirror if I can find it. Yep, my little mirror. Panty liner, because you never know. and then gum. Sometimes I take the pack, sometimes I'll take like one or two. I'm gonna just throw the little pack in here. And then the last thing that I'm going to be putting here is my keys. Now I don't normally carry keys, but sometimes my husband, he'll be like, can you pop my keys in your purse? So I'm going to be putting these keys in here, and hopefully they fit. I be having to tell him to take all these keys off of his key ring because we have multiple cars. So but yes, that fits with no problem, and it's not really bulky or anything like that. It doesn't feel overly heavy. It just feels like a regular little bag. So yeah, guys, this is adorable. Okay, like I would totally buy this. If it wasn't sent to me, I would totally buy this. Like, it is absolutely adorable. And like I said, the presentation of the bag, the stitching, everything is really, really nice. Very, very good quality. The canvas, and it smells amazing. It doesn't have like a funky smell. I have worked with at least one or two companies before where I know for sure one company, their bags have a little bit of a smell to them, but this does not. The last bag I purchased also didn't have a smell. So yeah, guys, that is it. That is everything. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you again. Bye, guys.